Let's install the machine gun trim piece for the hood cover first. Apply glue to the decoration. Apply glue to the decoration. Insert them into the corresponding slots of the head one by one. Note that the long one is in the middle, and short ones on both sides. There are 3 clip fasteners on the engine head. Align it with the position of this card slot and install it. Then simply rotate it until it locks in place. Next, apply glue to the simulated machine gun. Then simply attach it to the mounting position of the machine gun. Next, apply glue to the dowel. Insert it in front and back. Apply foam adhesive to the edges of the plastic insulated packaging. Securely attach the canopy to the designated mounting location. Loosen the machine screw securing the rear wheel bracket. Then insert the tail wheel wire into place. Then tighten the machine rice screws. The tail wheel is now installed. Next, we will install the horizontal and vertical stabilizers. Use yellow masking tape on both sides of the horizontal tail. The glued part is the wire connecting the vertical tail. We need to connect the steel wire with the and the connecting rubber parts together. Let's first install the steel wire. After installation, we insert the steel wire from the original. Reinsert it into the original sleeve. Align the vertical stabilizer and horizontal stabilizer. After gluing, we use 2 screws to fix it. We've now installed the left vertical stabilizer. The same operation method as the vertical stabilizer on the right. Attention regarding the installation of our vertical stabilizers. The wider side faces downwards, the narrower side faces upwards. Before we installed the horizontal stabilizer, we need to loosen the quick connector screw. Quick connector screw loose. To temporarily put the steel wire in an active state. To facilitate our later handling of the steel wire, connect the steel wire to the horizontal tail. Let's loosen the wire a bit first. Connect the Z-shaped full rod wire and the horizontal tail, and the connecting rubber part of the flat tail. This way, the wire and the rubber component are now securely connected. Let's put the wire back in place. Then align the horizontal tail with our slot. Reattach the servo arm again. Fix the quick connector. Secure the steel wire properly. Before fixing, we need to check if the horizontal tail, if it is in a horizontal position. After confirming, we tighten the screws of the quick connector. Lock the steel wire. Now we're using screws to secure our flat tail. The front one is fixed with a PA 2.3 by 8 screw. It will be secured with screws of type POTA 15 from the rear. Next, connect the 2 steel wires of the vertical stabilizer to the quick connector for the vertical stabilizer servo. Let's first loosen the screw on the quick connector. Insert all the steel wires into this quick connector's interface. Then we'll tighten the screws on the quick connect port to fix these 2 steel wires. Then close the cover plate. Secure it using screws of type POTA 6. The horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer are now installed. Install the plastic decorative parts on the wings. Let's first insert the carbon tubes into the left and right wings. Combine them together. Just tidy up the wires a bit. After assembling the aircraft, use the ESC-Y cable to connect the motor wires from the left and right wings together. Similarly, connect the flap servo wires using the Y cable. Use the Y line to connect the aileron wires together. Finally, use the control unit to connect the landing gear and navigation light wires. The wider 3-pin connector with 2 wires is the landing gear cable, connected to this port. The remaining 3 smaller 2-pin connectors are for the navigation lights. Connect them with the corresponding navigation light extension cables. We've moved all the ailerons inside the fuselage. Use 4 PM 3x25 screws to fix the wing. Remove the nuts and washers from the seat of the paddle. Then we install them in turn. Base, propeller, gasket, nut, tighten and fix. Attach the paddle cover. Fix it with PM to ×6 screws. Same steps on the other side. Simply follow the instructions provided in the manual to hang it up. At this point, the entire aircraft assembly is complete.